Good evening, friends. You see here a notification from Government of India, Ministry of Defense, Directorate General of Armed Forces and Medical Sciences, New Delhi. The applications are invited from the eligible candidates of Indian citizens for Group C vacancies. As usually, you know very well, we are discussing only about stenographers and LDC related to shorthand and typewriting. You see here steno grade 2 vacancy is here as well as LDC also here, for which if you are interested then you may apply. Let us see the qualifications here for stenographer grade 2. The age limit is 18 to 27 years and the required qualification is 12th class, that is equal to intermediate. And for stenographer post, skill test norms given here, that is at the rate of 80 words per minute of shorthand. That means they are going to give 10 minutes dictation in English shorthand at the rate of 80 words per minute. And also just you have to transcribe it within 65 minutes in English. And LDC also here, lower division clerk, that is also the age 18 to 27 years. The qualification is 12th class equal to intermediate and should pass typing test with minimum speed of 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi on computer. The age is given 18 to 27 years for both these vacancies, but the relaxation is applicable as per Government of India rules. Just we can see only important instructions here. You see the age relaxation for OBC candidates 3 years, 5 years for ACST, and 10 years for the candidates belonging to physically challenged persons and ex-servicemen, etc. etc. They are common rules. And mode of selection. You see here, selection will be made on the basis of competitive examination, which will consist of two parts, that is written examination of 100 marks and typing test, shorthand test, trade test applicable to the post will be of qualifying nature. The written test will consist of multiple choice questions of general intelligence and reasoning, numerical aptitude, general English, and general awareness. Written examination will be of 2 hours duration. The standard of written test will be based on the minimum educational qualifications prescribed for the post. Candidates who qualify the written examination will be called for typing and shorthand test, trade test applicable to the post applied for. The number of candidates to be called for typing and shorthand test or trade test will be 5 to 7 times of the number of vacancies. And we see here the instruction. The center for examination of written test, etc. The place where application is submitted and same will be intimated to the candidate in due course. That means the examination center will be intimated to you later and no TADA will be paid for attending written test or skill test, etc. Selected candidates will be subjected to All India Service Liability. Dear friends, if you get an appointment in this department, you should be in a position to join in anywhere in India. That is, candidates are to bring original certificates, namely caste certificates, educational qualifications, technical qualifications, and experience certificates at the time of skill test, etc. There will be simultaneous conduct of test for all categories of posts. The responsibility of deciding the category of posts for which the candidate would like to appear will be the choice of the candidate himself. Dear friends, here you see that if the candidates are going to apply more than one vacancy, that means LDC and stenographer, just imagine like that. If the department is going to conduct for LDC and stenographer on the same day, that means you have to opt for which exam you are going to opt, you are going to write. Why? Because the department is going to conduct the tests on the same day, same time, for which the candidate only should opt himself to write whether stenographer or LDC. But there is no any change will be there as per the department rules, dear friends. And application should be sent either registered post or ordinary post only, and no application will be received by hand or by courier. So, dear friends, just you have to send your application only registered post or ordinary post, that is postal service only, but not by hand or courier. They cannot, they must not accept if the candidate goes by hand or by courier, dear friends. How to apply? The duly filled in application in the format given here below, neatly typed in English or Hindi on A4 size paper and admit card along with the following documents should reach the concerned unit department depart on or before the last date of receipt of application. So dear friends, it is offline mode. This is not online mode. That's why you have to download the application which is already given below, for which just you download or just you type neatly and you send the self attested documents in support of educational qualification, age, technical qualifications, PH certificate, experience certificates, caste certificates, etc. The self attested passport size recent photograph duly affixed on the application and two additional same passport size photographs to be attached. Dear friends, while you are sending your application, one photograph must be pasted on the application form, and the same photographs just you should attach additionally for future use. That is, self-addressed envelope with stamps of rupees 25 worth pasted thereon. Okay, along with your applications, when you are going to send, along with your documents, just you add self-addressed envelope also for the worth of rupees 25, and separate application for each post should be submitted. Dear friends, if you wish to apply more than one post, separate application should be sent. If you wish to apply two or three, then you send two or three applications like that. And just you write on the envelope which you are going to send, like application for the post of and category should be there on the envelope. To address is the commandant oblique commanding officer of the concerned units depart where applicant wishes to apply. That is, and you see here the last date for this application is 9th August 2021. Here you see the application form are readily available here. Just you easily download it and fill all the columns required, and just you send it in proper way to the concerned address. This is the information from my side, dear friends. So just you, if you are interested, if you are qualified for this, then you go and apply as early as possible. You see here, different addresses are given here. This is steno grade 2. You see the address Armed Forces Medical College, Pune. Just you have to send your application for these vacancies in serial number 128. That means serial number 4 steno grade 2. This category belongs to this one, Armed Forces Medical College, Pune. And regarding LDC, just you have to send it Armed Forces Medical Store Depot, Delhi. Okay, like that. Okay, dear friends, one more instructions. If you are interested to apply it, then you are being a candidate. Just you see each word to word, and just you fill in careful way. That is very very important, dear friends. Just you see, just you read word to word, and just you send your application. That's it, my dear friends, from my side. Anyway, all the best. Thank you.